The redcoats are coming. The redcoats are coming. On the night of April 18th, 1775, the redcoats were coming to arrest Sam Adams and John Hancock. So they set up a plan, one if by land, two if by sea. On April 18th, 1775, Paul Revere made his famous midnight ride to Lexington.
Who was Paul Revere? Paul Revere was a famous man that warned Boston the British were coming.
Paul Revere was born in 1735. He had a bunch of brothers and sisters, 12 to be exact though. He died April 1818. He traveled 17 miles.
This is the Paul Revere poem. Listen, my children, and you shall hear the famous midnight ride of Paul Revere. On the 18th of April in 1775, hardly a man that is now alive who remembers that famous day and year. This poem has been written by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow.